Alam mo ba, nasa isang insurance policy, may ikatlong importanteng tao. Let's talk about them. Number 1, person insured. Number 2, policy owner. And number 3, the beneficiaries. Number 1, person insured. Siya yung cover ng insurance. In short, kung ano man ang mangyari sa kanya, like critical illness, hospitalization, accident, or even death, doon mag-a-apply ang benefits ng insurance policy. Sino ba ang pwedeng maging person insured? Pwedeng minor, pwede ring adult. Example, ako yung insured. So, ako yung cover ng benefits sa insurance policy. And then number 2, policy owner. Ito naman yung may-ari ng policy. Siya yung nagbabayad ng premiums at siya rin yung may full control sa policy. Parang siya yung boss. Pwede kasi na ako yung insured pero ibang tao yung policy owner. Adult din dapat ang policy owner. Pwedeng parents or grandparents. Example na lang, ako yung insured and si mother ko yung policy owner dahil siya yung nagbabayad ng premium. And number 3, the beneficiaries. Sila yung tatanggap ng benefits kapag may nangyari sa insured. Pwede silang family members, anak, spouse, or kung sino man ang nilagay ni policy owner. So kung ako ang insured and ang policy owner is si mother, pwede naming iligay na beneficiaries ang father and siblings ko para sila yung makakatanggap ng benefits kapag pumanaw si insured. Kaya when you get an insurance policy, dapat alam mo kung sino ang insured, policy owner, at beneficiaries para walang confusion pagdating sa insurance policy mo.